In this lesson, we're going to be wrapping up a few things in this 2D platformer. So first off, we need to make sure that we have music and audio for both of our levels. And to do that, first I'm going to go ahead and make this music player into a prefab. So I'm going to drag and drop it into the prefabs folder here. And that will create a prefab. So that's good. I'm also going to go ahead and apply the prefab for the character robot boy. That way our audio source gets put onto the character robot boy in the other level. So apply that. And now let's go over to the other level. So go to level 1. I will save this. Yes. And now if we go check out our character robot boy, we should see that our audio source is on there. Cool. We also need to put in our audio, our music. So let's go find that. It's in the prefabs folder. And let's just drag in our music player. So just like that. Now if we play this level, we should get some music and sound effects. Very cool. Now you did notice I hit the buzzsaw and 2 hearts got taken off. Now that isn't quite right, so maybe we can fix that as well. Let's go ahead and go over to MonoDevelop. I'm going to go into my health manager here. And where we have the subtracting of the health, let's go ahead and also add on like a delay. That's basically going to check to see, okay, so you got hit, right? But hasn't there been enough time for there really to have been a second hit? Just to make sure we're not accidentally taking off multiple hearts when you get hit. Okay, so we're going to need a couple of new variables for this. The first one we're going to need to make is something to basically just keep track of what it was the last time that the player got hit. So we're going to make this going to be private, so you don't need to access this from the inspector. And let's see, private. It's going to be a float because it's going to be a time, and let's call it last time hit. So last time hit. Okay. And let's make another variable. This one's going to be private as well because we can set it in here. It's going to be a float, and it's going to be basically how long we want the delay to be. So let's just call this maybe hit time. So how long should the hit last for? And let's go ahead and set it equal to maybe 0.5, so half a second. Just like that. Okay, cool. Now, if I go down to here where we're checking for the collision, and where we're actually subtracting from the health, I'm going to go ahead and add some more stuff to this if statement here. So, if you know what it collides with is a hazard, and, so the double ampersand, 2 ands, to mean this and something else. And then we're going to check to see if the time, and it's just accessing the time in seconds since the beginning of the game, is greater than the last time hit plus our hit delay, so that'd be hit time. So if both these conditions are true, then this whole if will evaluate to true, and then it will do this stuff here. So that's the power of the double and ampersand. It says this and this for it to be true. If either of them are false, then this will return false. Now, we need to make sure we are setting last time hit, so let's go ahead and do that in here. So when something is hit, then we need to set last time hit to be equal to the current time. And so that should work. Let's go ahead and save it, and then go back over into Unity. And now let's go ahead and test the scene. Now, it doesn't always happen, taking the 2 hearts off, but I think if we test it a couple times, you should be able to tell, making sure it's not happening. Okay, there's just one. Let's go test it one more time. Let's just see what's happening here. Cool, and cool. Okay, so I think that's it. I think we fixed it. Let's go ahead and just save our scene. Control S, shortcut to save. And there we go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.